Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to fix unable to click anywhere on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So simply press Alt Control and Delete together from your keyboard and you will get this window. Now press down arrow key from your keyboard and select Task Manager. After that, press Enter from your keyboard. So after open your task manager, you can click anywhere on your Windows 11. It will fix your problem temporarily. So if you want to fix it permanently, then simply you just need to go to your start or search window and type PowerShell and right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. Now put two command over here, which I'll give you on my video description. The command is called sfc/scannow. So after done, you just need to put the next command, which is called dism /online /clean up -image /restore health. After that, press enter from your keyboard. After that, you just need to restart your PC and it will fix your problem permanently. So I hope this tutorial really helped for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.